Gifted my nano Speedy to my mom, and here I am falling in love with another Speedy. What's wrong with me, guys? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we do a little tag video, and yeah, so I'm an addict, you guys know that. Like, my newest addiction is the iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks. Not sponsored, obviously. Today we do a tag video by Caleb Snell. Well, I think originally Amelia Rose from Amelia Rose Closet, she started this tag, and Winnie Bvlgari and Gwenny, I think, made a tag out of her video. I'm late to the game. So yeah, Caleb tagged me, and if you don't know Caleb, go and check out his channel. He and his partner, they do such an amazing job with their videos. I really enjoy watching all of their videos. Like, the editing is so on point and it's just beautiful videos. So definitely go and check him out. And yeah, so the tag is about the 5 bags I'm currently obsessed with. And I mean, guys, we know once I have an obsession, I have an obsession for real. And there are a lot of bags on my wish list right now. And I don't know how to make it happen, but I find a way to make it happen. So guys, the first bag I want to talk about today is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. This is the bandolier version. It's coming out in this beautiful print. I first saw this flower print obviously on the autumn-winter runway as well, and on the runway they've only shown bags where I was like, I love the print, I don't like the bags though. Like, I wasn't convinced, and deep down I think I was hoping that they would bring out classics in this print. And here we are. They did. So I lost my heart. The rumors are there that this bag comes out at the end of this month, at the end of July, and that would be absolutely incredible. I will ask my SA to help me find this bag. I think it is stunning. You should never say never, of course. Sag niemals nie, that's what we say in Germany. I always said I'm done with the Speedy. I'm done with Louis Vuitton in general. I only want a Capucine Mini and that's it, basically. And I gifted my Chanel 25 to my aunt, I gifted my nano Speedy to my mom, and here I am falling in love with another Speedy. What's wrong with me, guys? Also, next to the Speedy, they have so many beautiful bags coming out in this print. I mean, let's be honest, look at this bucket bag. I think that's really cool as well, but I think the Speedy, I would get more wear and tear out of it. I mean, let me know your thoughts, please, in the comment section down below. They also bring out a keep oil. How amazing would that be for traveling, you know, to have this beautiful style in the keep oil. What do we think about the Neverfull? This is the PM size with the silver print. I really like it as well. I was wondering if they gonna bring out the golden print on the Neverfull as well, but I mean, I have my Neverfull and I love my Neverfull, my little kitty that's on my Neverfull from the World Tour collection, and yeah, I don't need another Neverfull. I don't, right? Also, they bring out the on the go, and I really like this one too, but yeah, I'm gonna stick to the Speedy. So yeah, that's my #1 bag. And next up, I would say, you guys know I love Lanvin, right? And they basically, it's as if Prada made a baby with Lanvin. So if you look at that crystal bag, it's just incredible. It's the pencil cat hobo bag in like a crystal version, basically. And once I saw it, I was like, oh, this was not on my wish list. And guys, you know, I don't like silver hardware bags, like at all. But this one has stolen my heart. My collection needs this bag because, yeah, I curate bags. And they need to form a kind of symbiosis, and it would be a perfect addition. What other excuses can we come up with? So I am totally in love with this bag. I think I, you know, might need to make it happen. I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen. But yeah, this is, I think, my second biggest obsession right now. Next up would be the Chanel Gabrielle in the size small. And I don't know if you have heard the news yet. They are thinking of discontinuing, well, it's actually confirmed now, they are discontinuing the Chanel Gabrielle bag, and it is like a knife in my heart. I really do not know why they are doing that. I mean, I live in London, I see Chanel Gabrielle bags every single day. It seems like they, you know, they are loved. People love their Chanel Gabrielle bags, and it's a very practical everyday bag, you know, and you do see people use them. You do see them on the streets like all the time, and I don't understand, you know, maybe there is not enough demand for Chanel to keep that bag basically in their classic range. I mean, I have a boy bag, I have a Gabrielle myself, a medium size. I like both of them, but I also feel like the boy bag is, there's a pigeon. I feel like the boy bag is a lot more dated. It looks a lot more dated than the Gabrielle. The Gabrielle is such a practical bag, and I was really hoping that I would still be able to get a small black classic Gabrielle in the boutique. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't know by the time, because of all the other bags I want to buy, if by the time I have the money set aside for the Gabrielle, if, you know, I have to go pre-loved. Obviously I could save a lot if I wanted to go pre-loved, but yeah, you know, I'm just heartbroken. I can't believe they are phasing it out. So first of all, Jessie from Jessie Style, go check her out. She got some intel and she knew that this was probably gonna go down, and she made a video on that, so definitely watch her video. And then Decop from Super Decop, go and check out his channel as well. I mean, you know, my best friends here on YouTube. They, both of them, like, he talked to his SA and she basically confirmed as well that it's gonna happen. They are phasing the Gabrielle out, which obviously is gonna lead to the bag being discontinued at some point, which is really sad. But yeah, that's number 3. Next up, guys, is the CC Tote from Dolce Gabbana. Yes, I got my past 2 bags gifted from sponsorships, and they are just very practical. What can I say? I love, you know, with this bag you have to be careful. I wanted this to be my everyday bag, but like you all know the drama that happened, and it's, you know, you're not worry free. If you want a worry free tote that is still really beautiful and very special, where I feel like it's really me in terms of the aesthetics, in terms of the look of the bag, like that my personality comes through, I just really like this pink Dolce Gabbana bag. And they have it in this huge size. I don't have this huge size yet. I have the small and the medium. They recently came out with a mini bag as well. So I have my eye on those bags simply because they are practical, guys, and I use them. I use them every day. I don't worry about them, and what can I say? I just love lace as well. That's it. And then last but not least, guys, of course we cannot forget about Bvlgari, right? If you haven't seen my recent Garden of Eden vlog, please go and check it out. I have seen the most beautiful jewel in the world, and it's literally a jewel. This beauty, I was just like, I'm still speechless. It is such a beautiful bag. It's 37,000 pounds. So yeah, it's not gonna happen. But hey, that's a dream, right? You need to have dreams. So yeah, that would be like the one piece I would literally put into a display case and just stare at it as an artwork. I'm just gonna look for my friend now. I think that was all my 5 choices for bags I'm currently obsessed with. I'm gonna tag, I don't know if Jessie actually did this tag already. I'm gonna tag Jessie and Decop to do that tag as well. But maybe I'm so late to the game, they already did it and I missed it. I don't know. I'm gonna tag Steph from Handbag as well. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little Handbag family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. And now I need to find my friend. Bye! Also, guys, I haven't said that. A big thank you to FOXYLV, because she gave us all the sneak peek pictures and the whole the file about all the new LV goodies that are coming out. So go and check out her Instagram. I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. FOXYLV. She's like the queen of LV.